Tailwind CSS Autocomplete suddenly stopped working in VS Code. No suggestions, no class names, nothing. And because of this, your development speed becomes super slow. The good news is, this is one of the easiest Tailwind CSS problems to fix. In this video, I'll show you the exact solution that fixes Tailwind CSS Intellisense Autocomplete in just 1 minute. And trust me, most developers completely miss this tiny step. So if your Tailwind classes are not showing suggestions in VS Code, watch this video till the end because this fix works perfectly. Alright, let's start with the first thing you should check. In most cases, Tailwind CSS Autocomplete stops working because VS Code cannot properly detect your Tailwind project. And the first reason behind that is usually the Tailwind CSS Intellisense extension. So open Visual Studio Code, go to the extensions section from the left sidebar, and search for Tailwind CSS Intellisense.opud. Make sure you install the official extension created by Tailwind Labs. A lot of beginners accidentally install random Tailwind extensions from other developers, and those extensions either don't work properly or create conflicts inside VS Code, so always use the official extension. Now, after installing it, click on the gear icon and make sure the extension is enabled. Then restart your VS Code editor once. And after restarting, test your autocomplete again. For example, type something like bg-text or flex. If suggestions appear, great, your problem is solved. But if nothing appears, then don't worry because the next step is the actual fix that works for most developers. Now let me show you the solution that fixes this problem for most people instantly. Open your project folder inside VS Code. Then open the terminal and run this command .npx tailwind css-init. Now you might be wondering, what does this command actually do? Basically, this command creates a Tailwind configuration file inside your project. And that configuration file helps VS Code understand that this is a real Tailwind CSS project. Without this file, Intellisense sometimes fails to detect Tailwind properly, especially in new projects. So after running the command, you'll notice a new file appears in your project structure called tailwind.config.js, and this is the important part. Once this file is created, VS Code can finally recognize your Tailwind setup correctly. Now try typing Tailwind classes again. For example, bg-blue 500 justify center items center text white and boom. Autocomplete suggestions should start appearing instantly. Now one more important thing, if autocomplete is still not working even after this step, then try these quick fixes, close and reopen VS Code. Make sure your project folder is open correctly. Check if Tailwind CSS is properly installed in your project and verify that your files are using supported extensions like HTML, JSX, TSX, or Vue. These small things can also prevent Intellisense from working. So that's how you can fix Tailwind CSS Intellisense Autocomplete not working in VS Code. This issue is super common for beginners, especially when creating a new Tailwind project for the first time. But thankfully, the fix is actually very simple once you know the exact reason behind it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more web development tutorials, VS Code fixes, Tailwind CSS tips, and React.js content. And if you still have any issue, comment below and I'll try to help you.